If you drink salt water every morning on an empty stomach, what happens to the body? It's a secret the doctor will never tell you. First, your skin will be smoother. Sea salt contains a variety of minerals that can improve skin quality, especially to help eliminate toxins. Secondly, it also improves oral health because salt water has a bactericidal effect that can help fight bacteria in the mouth and strengthen the gums. In addition, your body detoxifies itself. Salt water helps balance the ions inside and outside the cells and promotes the body's self-cleaning process. Salt water can also speed up the healing process for minor wounds. The calcium and potassium in salt can also help strengthen fragile nails and speed up the healing of minor wounds due to its bactericidal effects. Your immune system will become stronger. Salt contains zinc, a key mineral that boosts the immune system and helps fight infections. Learn more about health with me and forward this video to your best friend.